Hi production community, I'm Ajitesh. I'm really excited today to launch Tough Tongue AI 3.0. Tough Tongue AI is an agentic role-play engine for high-stakes conversation. Imagine being in your next job interview, or negotiating your salary with a recruiter, or doing your next sales call. In all of these situations, what separates your success from almost making it is not more knowledge or more concept. It's rather your ability to handle those tricky situations, those curveball questions, and bringing that extra 1% into the game. But how do you get that? So that comes from lots and lots of high quality practice and calibrated feedback that builds your muscle memory. And that's what you get at Tough Tongue AI. Let me show you how. Hi, so I'll cover three things in demo. The first one is the agent experience. You can interact with the agent on the homepage right through this carousel or from the template scenario. Or you can go to the scenario library where we have written high quality scenarios. For example, let's say you want to prepare for product management, system design, model learner, language, all of this you'll get here. You could also go to the courses tab where we have sequence of scenarios in a form of a learning path plus videos by coaches. For example, you have for MBA admission prep, PM interview, system design, and other roles. Here, one I'll pick is coding scenario. So for example, here. And in the coding scenario case, the agent have access to the editor that it will use to conduct the scenario. I'll pick one of the scenario for you to give to show you how this works.
Hello, I'm your system design instructor.
Can you draw a diagram to show me what happens when we type google.com in a browser?
Certainly. I rendered a diagram
This is
that
great.
illustrates the process.
Now can you put the what? Now can you explain me the DNS in a form of a card? Okay, that's great. Now can you ask me an MCQ question to test my knowledge on this?
I've displayed a multiple choice question to test your understanding of DNS. Please select the correct answer.
Okay, so now you can interact with it, and once your session is over, you can also hit analyze for it to analyze your session. So I'll just do that. But you could also, I have a ready-made analysis here. So for example, I did a root cause analysis question. So it will give me a total score, deep dive into what I did well, what I could improve, and next step and resources that I could use. These are pretty detailed, calibrated feedback that would help you improve. So the third aspect of interacting with the agent is the coaches, and the coach remembers you across scenario. So you come back next time, they will remember where they left off. For example, this is my Korean language learning coach that remembers and teaches me every time new thing to learn Korean. And I also control what it remembers about me using this edit memory feature, from which you can edit what it remembers about you. So that's the first aspect. The second aspect is that you can create your own scenario to bring your knowledge base into creating an interactive experience here. For example, I'll click here, create scenario, go to here, and let's say I'll say PM interview at Tough Tongue. So in that case, it will try to search and figure out and write based on AI instruction that it has access to, that what will be a typical prompt for this scenario. And if you find it good enough, you can also just hit create, which is your create scenario. You can select like whether you want to give it a memory or what kind of model that you want to use, whether you want to give it a timer tool, whiteboard tool, and other tools here, and whether appearance, do you want to add a new avatar, what voice accent it should speak to. And once you are happy with all of this, you can hit create here. And this right away creates your scenario that you can interact with.
Hello, I'm excited to start this product manager interview simulation.
Now, our customers spend a lot of time here in perfecting the scenario, like tweaking it and seeing on the editor like how it is behaving. So that's the second part, that you can bring your knowledge base, like just ingest a PDF, URL, or YouTube video to create scenario that is hyper realistic to you. The third aspect is that we provide rich experience for you to embed the scenarios that we have or you create. For example, you can go to the details page here, and you can go to the integrate. And any scenario that you have created, we give multiple options by changing background, your avatar, and other thing. And you just take these 4 lines of code and put in your website, and it will give an embedded experience just like this in your application. Now, this can be controlled to minimal and other paradigm. We also provide API-based experience for you to embed multiple scenarios, manage sessions, get analysis and everything here. You can manage your keys and check out our documentation. So these are the 3 main things. The first is that we have high quality handwritten scenarios for you to practice with. We make it really easy for you to create scenario with a high quality autocomplete. And third is that you can use our APIs and iframe to embed this experience in your application. I'm looking forward to see what you make use of it. Thank you so much.